Hello students, how are you? I hope you're fine and stay safe at your home. Let's start our study of English grammar standard 7 and let's continue with the topic parts of speech. In the previous videos we discussed about the first part of speech noun and the second part of speech pronouns, and also discussed about the kinds of pronouns also. Let us recall what is pronoun and the kinds of pronoun. Then we will solve one exercise of this topic and then we will continue with the next topic. Okay. Now let's recall what is pronoun. The pronouns are words that are used instead of nouns, right? There are kinds of pronouns as personal pronoun. In the personal pronoun, there are subjective forms, objective forms, and possessive forms. Subjective forms are I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These subjective forms are also we learnt in the previous video in the singular and plural form and with the person, the first person, second person and third person. Okay, and I hope you have revised this video. Okay, now these are the subjective forms I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Now there are objective forms as me, us, you, him, her, it and them. The objective form of I is me, us, you, him, her, it and them. And possessive forms are my, our, your, his, her, its and their. Okay. Now second is reflexive and emphasizing pronouns. Now here, which is the reflexive and emphasizing pronoun? Myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves. Here you is used in singular and plural both the forms. So yourself is the singular form and yourselves is used as plural form. Okay. Himself, herself, itself and themselves. They are the reflexive and emphasizing pronoun. Now demonstrative pronouns, these, that, these, those, such. These are the demonstrative pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are some, one, none, few, all, many, others, etc. Fifth number is distributive pronouns is each, either and neither. Now 6 is interrogative pronouns is what, who, which, whose and whom. 7 is relative pronouns that are who, whose, whom, that and which. Now here there are some sentences given and you have to underline the pronoun in the sentence and also identify which kind of pronoun is given in the sentence. Okay, let's see the first sentence. I shall play cricket in the evening. I shall play cricket in the evening. Which is pronoun in this sentence? I. So we have to underline I. Okay, can you say that which kind of pronoun is it? It is a personal pronoun in the subjective form. I have written a table of kinds of pronouns in your notebook in the previous video. You can revise it and see that the the kinds of pronoun is I is a pronoun which is in the subjective form. It is personal pronoun. Okay, here I just underline the pronoun and you have to write its kind also from the table that we have studied in the previous video. Okay, now second number, she had lost her bag in the park. She had lost her bag in the park. Here which is the pronoun? She, and another pronoun is her. Here she is used as personal pronoun. She is a personal pronoun, and here it is used as in the subjective form. It is used in place of subject. She had lost her bag in the park. Here her is used in place of object, right? Subject, verb and object. Her is used in place of object, so her is in the used in the objective form, right? She is subject and her is object. Okay, so she and her both are the personal pronouns, but it is used in subjective form and her is used in objective form. Listen carefully. Look at Hari. He is dancing, which is the pronoun he. So we will underline he. Now which type of pronoun it is? Personal pronoun, right? Fourth number, he invited me to dinner. He invited me to dinner. Here two pronouns are there, he and me, right? He is used as subjective form and me is used as objective form because he is in place of subject. Subject, verb, object. Me is used in place of object, so it is in the objective form, right? Okay, fifth number, Mahesh told them to meet in the evening. Here Mahesh told them. Them is a pronoun in the objective form. It is used after a verb. Subject, verb, object. It is used in place of object, so it is in the objective form. Them, right? Okay, sixth number, the boys hid themselves. Which is the pronoun here? Themselves. Which type of pronoun is themselves? Reflexive or emphasizing pronoun. But when it is used in the sentence, you can identify it is reflexive pronoun or emphasizing pronoun. Okay, there are two sentences of reflexive or emphasizing pronoun. Okay, the boys hid themselves. Here themselves is used after the verb, right? After the verb. And seven number, the queen herself came to see the magician. The queen herself came to see the magician. Here herself is also a reflexive or emphasizing pronoun, but here herself is used with the noun, and here themselves is used after the verb. What is the difference? It is used after the verb in the place of object, right? And here herself is used with the noun. So what is the difference? Here the boys hid themselves. Here themselves behave like the object of the verb. It is the object of the verb hid, right? And but they refer to the same person as the subject. The subject is the boys, right? Which pronoun we use for the boys? Here boys are in the plural form, so we use which pronoun for the boys? They, right? So here themselves is used after the verb in the objective place and also refer to the same person as the subject of the verb, and such pronouns are called a reflexing pronoun. So themselves is reflexing pronoun, right? I will write here in short. You have to write in the full spelling. Okay, complete spelling you have to write. The queen herself came to see the magician. Here herself is used with a noun, right? When such words are used with a noun or pronoun is called emphasizing pronoun. Emphasizing pronoun. Right? Okay. So you have to remember that reflexive or emphasizing when the pronoun is used after the verb in the objective place, it is called a reflexive pronoun, and when the pronoun is used with the noun, it is called emphasizing pronoun. Okay. Now this is my pencil, which is here. This is my pencil. Here this is demonstrative pronoun. This is a demonstrative pronoun. These are my books. Here this these is a pronoun, and which type of pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. You have to write its type by yourself. आपको ये किस टाइप का प्रोनाउन है वो टेबल में से फाइंड आउट करके आपको लिखना है. ओके. यहाँ पे मैंने डिस्क्राइब भी किया है, ये आपको अपने आप लिखना है. ओके. यहाँ मैं अंडरलाइन करके आपको समझा रही हूँ. आपको इसका जो काइंड है, विच काइंड ऑफ प्रोनाउन इज इट, आपको अपने आप लिखना है. जैसे कि दिस इज़ माई पेंसिल, तो दिस इज़ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन, तो आपको यहाँ पे इसके सामने लिखना है कि दिस और एरो करके लिखना है डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. ऐसे सभी सेंटेंस में आपको लिखना है. ओके. नाउ 10 नंबर. देयर इज समथिंग इन योर हेयर. देयर इज समथिंग इन योर हेयर. हियर समथिंग, विच इज प्रोनाउन समथिंग. Right? It is called indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Something, some, none, few, all, many. ऐसे जो pronouns है, they do not refer to any particular person or thing. Here's something. They do not refer any particular thing or person, right? So it is called indefinite pronouns. He didn't say anything useful. Here anything is a pronoun, indefinite. All are not happy. Here all is also indefinite pronoun. All is also indefinite pronoun. Each of the girls was given a rose. Here which is a pronoun? Each. Each of the girls was given a rose. And which kind of pronoun is it? Each is a distributive pronoun. It refers to a number or person or things one at a time. So it is called distributive pronoun. Next sentence, neither of the statement is true. Neither of the statement is true. Again there is a distributive pronoun. Which is the distributive pronoun? Neither. Underline the word neither. Neither of the statement is true. Neither is a distributive pronoun. It refers to a number or person or thing one at a time. Okay. Which is your book? Here which is the pronoun? Which. Right? It is the interrogative pronoun. Which is the interrogative pronoun. Right? And it is used for asking a question, that which is your book. Which is a pronoun. It is interrogative pronoun and it is used to ask question. Who made that noise? Here which is the pronoun? Who. It is also an interrogative pronoun and it is used for asking question. This is the man who stole my purse. This is the man who stole my purse. Here which is the pronoun? Who. Who is a pronoun and it is a relative pronoun. Here relative pronoun which join two sentences, right? Which join two sentences. This is called relative pronoun. Okay, so here who is not an interrogative pronoun, but it is a relative pronoun. Now this is the boy whose nature is good. Again there is a relative pronoun whose, they join it join two sentences and refer back to the noun going before them. Okay, so it is called relative pronoun. I hope you understand all the sentences very well. All the sentences you have to write in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. You have to underline the pronoun that we have done, and also you have to write its kind, that which type of pronoun is it. Okay, I have explained all the sentences in this video, so you have to write its kind. Okay, thank you.